I wanted to be a marine biologist, and the university is on an island. I think I'd be crazy not to pick this school. My name is James Tallman, and I'm graduating with a Master of Science degree in marine biology from Texas A&M University-Corpus Christi. Well, marine biology is something I've always wanted to get into my whole life, really. I've always had a deep-seated love for the ocean and the creatures that inhabit it. Well, Texas A&M University-Corpus Christi is in a prime location for marine sampling, that's for sure. The faculty and staff here are great. They are the leaders in the field of marine biology for sure. I knew that while I was here, if I ever had a question about anything related to marine science, no matter how complicated, I knew they'd have an answer for me. During my time at the university here, I've had the opportunity to be a part of many projects, and I've actually been able to publish 2 papers. And you know, it's a great feeling when you see your name on a paper, when you look up a publication. It means that you're done. You finished a project you've been working on for so long, and other people think that it was a good use of your time. I've published 2 papers. The 3rd paper I'm going to publish is actually going to be on my thesis work, and you better believe I can't wait for that. For my thesis, I use DNA sequencing technology and bioinformatics computer-based analysis methods to detect antibiotic resistance genes indicative of antibiotic-resistant bacteria in 4 marine bodies of water along the Texas coast. The rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria is a global health concern. It's a big problem. It's affecting everybody across all countries, all continents. So what I did was I went out, either on foot, trudging through the mud, or we went out in a boat, and I grabbed a dozen oysters from each site, along with a liter of water. I took these oysters back to the laboratory, came in the next day, about 11 a.m., and then stayed in the lab for 20 hours to run my extraction and oyster processing protocols. I extracted DNA from oysters, actually oyster stomach contents, and water to accomplish this. And recently I was accepted into Baylor College of Medicine's Molecular Virology and Microbiology Ph.D. program. Very exciting. I'm very excited about it. For my future career goals, I would like to be the head of my own research laboratory, conducting research on human pathogens and helping to fight them. So during my time here at Texas A&M University-Corpus Christi, 4 professors really had a big impact on my life. About 4 years ago, Dr. Bart Cook was the first to point me in the right direction. He told me to go talk to Dr. Chris Bird to get some laboratory experience so I could advance. And Dr. Chris Bird was kind enough to let me work in his lab, and the experience I gained in his lab actually allowed me to continue my education, and I was eventually hired by Dr. Turner, my current advisor, my thesis advisor. Jeff has given me every opportunity to be involved in as many research projects as possible. Of course, I wouldn't be where I am, doing what I'm doing, going where I'm going, if it weren't for Dr. Gregory Buck. He instilled in me a tremendous lasting appreciation for microbes. He's taught me the vast majority of what I know about microbiology and related fields. He has made such a huge impact on my life, and I am eternally grateful for what he's done for me and for what the other professors who've helped me out here have done for me as well. I'd also like to thank my friends and my family, especially my mom. There is no stronger person, no better mother on the entire planet. So I just have a small piece of advice for other students out there. Explore all your options. Be afraid of changing directions. It's not necessarily a setback or a bad thing. Don't be afraid to take the plunge. It's never too late to find your calling.